everyone, Nate McGee here, bringing you our value charts video of the day again. Today is Thursday, November 21st, 2013. And I just want to say, wow, if you're in the market today, you probably saw a lot of movement today, which a lot of it wasn't really unexpected. We had a whole boatload of announcements come out today. Like every 30 minutes it seemed like, and it just pounded the market. Unemployment claims and PPI 8:30, flash manufacturing at 9. We had two FOMC members speak today, one at 9:45 and one at 1 o'clock, which really put the market in a tizzy, really. And then we also had Philly Fed at 10 a.m. and we had a German president speak at 11. It was just all over the place today. So a lot of our predictions actually went against us. It was pretty amazing, especially that 1 o'clock announcement that came out. So I just want to show you a couple things that happened. It's kind of important to understand that a lot of times news announcements, they'll really just throw off all your predictions in anticipation of things. One, for example, was the dollar loonie. Right here, look at this on the weekly chart. You can see we're right up against the trend line here. So if it does break through this, we can see that come up with this purple trend line right across these weekly highs. Could see that being a profit target. We were kind of bearish on it, but right here you can see we had a nice momentum inflection just from today. All this week it was really quite crazy. And on a monthly chart you can see going up against a monthly trend line here shortly as well. Another thing I want to point out is the pound dollar. Have a trend line right across all these highs. Okay, it's been respected for a long time, and now prices have continued to climb on up here. Thought it was going to be a bearish divergence, but who knows, now it's still climbing up pretty steadily over here on our monthly chart. We have a trend line right across all of these highs. That's pretty significant. If we could break through there, we could really see it run. Right now we had a zone, the 61,854. We're right around there right now, 61868. Yeah, you can see it's just crazy. That being said, also check out the dollar yen. This is pretty interesting as well. Had this little bit of a consolidation box here that broke out, just kind of see where it could go. Look at it on the monthly chart here. Okay, we are a really long-term purple trend line that shouldn't be hit for a while here, but this one a little bit shorter term on the monthly chart. We're kind of in this pennant here, and it has shot to the roof. It's coming up to the zone, the 101.67, and that trend line as well. So definitely be aware of that. We thought it's going to continue to head on down here, but today it just caused it to rocket off. Another thing, actually, some of my positions went against me, which is worth noting how crazy the volatility was today. One of which was this pound Aussie. We were short on here 2 months ago, and that was a nice yellow jacket doji there. But look right here what happened today on the weekly chart. It was coming up against us a little bit, but I didn't. If it was going to go in a downtrend still, it would have not gone through that trend line. But today, I mean, the weekly chart, it just shot it all the way back through, and it's right here at the zone again, 75.15. It is incredible that that went against us. We're holding on to it for almost 2 months. Another one, Swissy yen. We were talking about this a little bit. Some of you have been tracking it. We were at all-time highs. Then we had this nice yellow hat doji right here on a monthly. That's an excellent candlestick reversal pattern. But look what happened today. It broke through this weekly pennant, and it broke through the highs over here. So that was pretty interesting. We could really see the Swissy yen actually continue on up now. I don't think there's much really stopping it. Pound yen is another one to look out for. We were short on that. We had a monthly yellow jacket doji right in there, and it broke through that little mini pennant that we had right at the zone, the 16308 zone. And over here you can see it broke through our weekly pennant here, head up toward this 164.625 area. That's really all I wanted to tell you. I mean, it's interesting how much volatility can change, when you're in these nice setups, nice positions. It's always important to be aware of it. Volatility can change at any time. So want to show you that and be prepared for some pretty big moves. We have a lot more announcements coming out tomorrow, as well as we can really see these markets go even more crazy than they are right now. So just be careful whenever you're placing trades. Remember that it can get pretty hectic, especially tomorrow. There's even bigger announcements. So just want to let you all become aware of that. Never miss another value charts trade. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more video of the day and trade of the day videos. Again, this is Nate McGee reminding you to trade smarter, not harder, and as always, trade with confidence.